it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, rip connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Coming here with another reaction. We're back again. Back in the war. This song here should be the end of round second. Round 2 gone already. Round second there now. Valiant, LiPPY. So let's jump in the one here. First, but before that, you know, so we have to check out the thumbnail, right? Alright, thumbnail is here. Thumbnail is here. Alright, so we see Father Dipper on us catch hat. We see bedside lamp, Valiant LiPPY. We see TJ as a ball in our pram. Baby, newborn baby. Thumbnail bad. Not pram, in a crib, sorry. Thumbnail bad. Make us see if the thumbnail is as bad as the song. And I hope that is on the same rhythm, which I think so, because it just played a while ago. So make us see if it's on the same rhythm and make us see how it sounds. I'm just here to react. I'm not judging another song. I'm just here to react. I'm not taking no sides. Let's go.
Yo, Sassy and them still not learning, man.
Yo, A-Town. Yo, Green Island. Me not ringing in the new year. With a new dopey. Me make it crime scene mucky, left me shoes dirty. And it's a bad man who has stop move slutty. Yo.
Hold on.
And it's a bad man who has stop move.
Yo, Sassy and them still not learning, man.
Yo, A-Town. Yo, Green Island. Me not ringing in the new year. With a new dopey. Me make it crime scene mucky, left me shoes dirty.
Yo, that rhythm is so infamous. That rhythm here, like, bring me back like memories, dog. Memories. Red Bull and Guinness rhythm. Because your Valiant Angular rhythm still.
With a new dopey, me make it crime scene mucky, left me shoes dirty. And it's a bad man who has stop move slutty. Yo, burn savannah.
So, him tell us, yo, this a bad man who I better stop move like bitch, stop move slutty. Oh, I'm here. Ease up.
Crime scene mucky, left me shoes dirty. And it's a bad man who has stop move slutty. Yo, burn savannah.
Too much bumbuckler chatting. Too much media. A wartime pussy.
Man said too much chatting, too much live, too much media. Ease up half of the media. Put them in your song.
Bumbuckler chatting. Too much media. A wartime pussy. Take out your gun and war.
Had the rifle, I pick him up. Why do Mickey Mouse? Chop a blood clap, I mean, I shit him out. Stop jump.
The rifle, I pick him out. What did I make him out? Chop a blood tap, I mean, I shit him out. Aight.
Had the rifle, I pick him up. Why do Mickey Mouse? Chop a blood clap, I mean, I shit him out. Stop jump and life gunshot, be a flinging now. How we not running and a...
The man said stop jump and live, a gunshot in my fling, brother. Like, stop go live. Do it for live, oh yeah, God, that don't make no sense. That not... Yeah, live out the war. The man said stop live out the war, TJ.
I mean, I shit him out. Stop jump and life gunshot, be a flinging now. How we not running and a war? Bigger can't save you, me dead in him cat. No.
The man said him not run from war. Bigger can't save you. Him dead in him car. Alright, here we are, say. Make us see.
Shot be a flinging now. How we not running and a war? Bigger can't save you, me dead in him cat. No, we not two fighters are running in yard. Hello tipping at the party, I greet you. Headshot. Stepping at the war with blood clot facts. The Dan Frank South give you a couple hard backs.
Say, I gotta talk some facts now. Him say him stepping at the war with some blood clot facts. The Dan from South give you a couple hard backs. TJ, that a true? Come clarify the box there. Valiant, make sure say you talk about the pretty Dan line, you know, cause member said TJ grab your throat and choke you, you know, dog. With a line there, bro. So make a talk.
Me dead in him cat. No, when the two fighters are running in yard. Hello tipping at the party, I greet you. Headshot. Stepping at the war with blood clot facts. The Dan Frank South give you a couple hard backs. Logic's fuck body, you not talk about that. Celine tell Jay tongue rougher than cock.
Logic's fuck body, you not talk about that. Logic. Hear me no Logics. That depend TJ. Not for TJ sang them. Logics. So I think Logic is a producer or something like that. So he must say you have people in your camp where go through the back door. Oh God.
Give you a couple hard backs. Logic's fuck body, you not talk about that. Celine tell Jay tongue rougher than cock. Who no Barbie can't mention that. Dan leakage to you, na fuck you with strap.
Who no Barbie can't mention that. So he must say you can't mention nothing about no Barbie because you're not none. And somebody catch Tio na fuck you with strap.
Tongue rougher than cock. Who no Barbie can't mention that. Dan leakage to you, na fuck you with strap. As so long you a fit up rifle, pussy defend your dead friend them. Promise.
As so long you had fit up rifle, pussy defend your dead friend them. So the line there I forward from when TJ did say him he pull on a rifle and fit it up back in a one day. So, he must say basically, how that take you so long for fit up a rifle, 24 hours, that's a lot.
Catch the owner, fuck you with strap. As so long you a fit up rifle, pussy defend your dead friend them. From me spend money, make a run left them. Stop.
The dead friend them, you gotta make again to the man, dead friend them. Make the dead rest, no man. Make Grammy them rest, man. The man say, Rummy spend money, make you run left them.
So long you a fit up rifle, pussy defend your dead friend them. From me spend money, make a run left them. Stop talk about money and you just get bent. Pussy run from ATL, Ghana, Miami.
The man say, stop talk about money when you just get Benz. The man say, bus from 2018 and just buy Benz now. So all you talk about money. Like, stop talk about money, like, tap it. That's how the G say. I don't know if TJ just get Benz, but I don't know.
Run left them, stop talk about money and you just get bent. Pussy run from ATL, Ghana, Miami. Get maga down from anxiety.
You run from ATL, Ghana, Miami. And you get maga down from anxiety. Jesus. So, basically, I said that's why TJ did lose so much weight. In a way there, so quick. Anxiety do it.
Just get bent, run from ATL, Ghana, Miami. Get maga down from anxiety. All when me kill big pelvin, I try a thing. Bust up the K and fuck up the fire bin uptown. Express yourself to Maya. Me want you to tell the whole Jamaica. The life of dikes, it boots in nature. And the house you are post the loan the pay for.
Express yourself to Jamaica. No, express yourself to Maya. More you tell the whole Jamaica.
Me get maga down from anxiety. All when me kill big pelvin, I try a thing. Bust up the K and fuck up the fire bin uptown. Express yourself to Maya. Me want you to tell the whole Jamaica. The life of dikes, it boots in nature. And the house you are post the loan the pay for.
Man say like fuck dikes, it boots your nature. Is that you answering that they printed online? Is that you answering the printed online, bro? Then you move on from the line there and say, the house where you post the loan. It must say basically a loan you take out for buy the house. So it must say basically don't miss one loan payment card. Then we come repo that ras day. That's what the G say. Go in here you answer the printed online.
The whole Jamaica, the life of dikes, it boots in nature. And the house you are post the loan the pay for. LiPPY going live soon.
That's a LiPPY going live soon. Yo. Sorry, guys. Yo, sorry, guys. Sorry. Man's a LiPPY going live soon to blood clot.
Only my can make you fine tune. Only my can make you fine tune.
The man say only Mac can make you fine tune. Only DJ Mac alone make you fine tune. Him say from Drift, you don't get a next song. That's what the G say.
Only my can make you fine tune. You are such man a babu.
You are such man a babu. Who is such man? Somebody tell me in the comment section. Who the hell is such man?
Fine tune. You are such man a babu. Extension clip. Press the trigger make your head tap drift. Can't start war and I move like bitch.
Extension clip. Press the trigger make your head tap drift. So it might refer back to the TJ Big Song Drift. Extension clip. Press the trigger make your head tap drift. Alright.
Extension clip. Press the trigger make your head tap drift. Can't start war and I move like bitch. Whatever you a drink and a puffin on your spliff. Marry in a dirt and a grave never dig.
Man say you can't start war and I move like bitch, brother. Him say you can't start war and I move like bitch, bro.
And I move like bitch. Whatever you a drink and a puffin on your spliff. Marry in a dirt and a grave never dig. Talk about my beer when I read you. Pissing on your face and you can't gas paint on.
Talk about my beer when I rate you. Somebody pissing in your face and you can't gas paint on. You have link as paint on, TJ?
Dirt and a grave never dig. Talk about my beer when I read you. Pissing on your face and you can't gas paint on. Instead than a playground. Everything in that clip. You ever know you a snitch. You're not bad, I not call him chippy, my bitch. Fit the war, him no fit. I want do some pussy. Bad we bad and a non-bag go grab pussy. Guns for real, diplomats. And anybody running a war, dead too.
Anybody
Oh. Oh.
The man say anybody running at the war are dead too. So basically right there, so he might tell you say I'm ready for anything or anything. That's the end of round 2 though. That's the end of round 2nd. So what want to say? Who a lead? Who a lead? Who a lead? Who a lead so far? Let me know. And
What makes arcade
we don't want to tell me about who a win the war now. Who a lead? Who a lead? Like 2 rounds gone already. Who a lead? You see me? I don't hear him. I don't hear him mention the pretty Dan line though. Look like him now adjust a line there. Look like him now adjust a line there. Yo! They were nice. Father, they pick up yourself. They were nice. They were nice. 2 artists them do them thing and I put on a show. They were nice. From when we react to war. From about November. From November we react to fully about them war. Up until Stefan and them war to this war. Yo, Wagwan. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one. From Valley, of course. Let me know. All lead so far. You see me? I guess I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap connect.